Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a Battle.net account step by step using the Battle.net app on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open the Battle.net application on your smartphone. Make sure you download it from your App Store or your Google Play Store, and once you open it up, from the welcome screen, click on Create Account. Now click on Continue in the pop-up to end up in Battle.net sign up area. From here, select your country and then enter your date of birth. You can also get started and finish the sign up using one of the Google accounts, Facebook accounts, Apple ID option at the top of the screen, as you can see it over here. You can easily create an account in a few minutes if you select one of these social accounts. But if you want to sign up using your email, you can go ahead and select your country and enter your date of birth. After doing so, click on Continue. On the next page, write down your first name and then your last name. Once done, click Continue. On the next page, enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address you have access to. Once done, you can also enter your phone number, which is optional. You can also leave it as it is and tap Continue. On the next page, review the terms and conditions of Battle.net. Check all of the boxes over here and tap on Agree. On the next page, type down a password for your account. Set a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and click on Continue. Create your battle tag. On the next page, you can type down your own or tap on Randomize to look for random battle tags and click on Continue. On the next page, you need to verify yourself as a human, so expect some of these CAPTCHA. Click on the Verify button and verify yourself for the prompts. And once you are done with it, you will be able to create a new account for Battle.net. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.